To manage carpet cleaning for Roborock S8, first of all, we'll need to click on the enter right here in the Roborock app. Then we can navigate to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and then we can go into floor cleaning settings. Select carpet cleaning settings, and that way we'll be able to adjust all of the settings. So first thing is avoid. If you take this option and there's a carpet marked on your map, your robot will try to avoid the carpet and never drive on it. Then there's the option to ignore it, which will just take any carpet and put it as a floor, so it will just clean normally like your carpet was any other floor option. We can go for dynamic lift, which will make your robot lift the mop when it drives on the carpet, and then you also have those three options right here that you can enable even at the same time. So first thing is carpet boost, which will make your robot automatically detect carpets and turn suction power to maximum. That way it will much better clean those carpets. Then there's the deep carpet cleaning, and after room is cleaned, the robot will separately clean carpets in each room, not including mats. And lastly, there's a vacuum carpet first, which will make your robot, if there's carpets selected on the map, first drive on the carpets and clean them, then it will start cleaning floors and avoid the carpets because they are already clean. This helps you with the carpets not being wet by mop if you're mopping as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.